Orchid Collective, guys, thank you so much for coming on to Choo.
Thank you.
Now there's been so much happening, like everyone's writing about you, all the reviews have been incredible. Is it all going to your head?
No.
Yes.
Let your head down tonight. I'm here to stay. Keep your head close to mine and drift away. Don't tell me I'm your love. I'm just a fake. Just let your head down tonight. Tomorrow can wait.
Talk to me then about the EP, because I know you're hoping maybe October, is it, next year?
Yeah, October, yeah, and then have a launch for that. There'll be 3 more songs and then lay a stone and figure it out on that as well.
Okay, cool.
And then a single from the EP.
Is it all written?
Possibly.
Maybe, we haven't decided
5
yet.
songs, there could be more.
I'm sure there'll be more.
songs in the meantime.
Okay.
I think we're going to go up and write the EP, and after the guys are done with college, we're going to go to Cavan and
Nice.
a writing retreat.
Lock yourselves away, do
Yeah.
Justin Brennan on it,
Yeah, I
go
think
into a
so.
shed somewhere in the woods.
Yeah.
We
That
need
might
it.
be nice.
We need it.
Let go of your thoughts tonight and dream away. Keep your head close to mine, and I'll pave the way. Don't tell me I'm no good. I'm just afraid. Just let go of your thoughts tonight. Tomorrow can wait.
The summer is just around the corner. Are we going to be playing any festivals?
Yeah. We have Casapalooza at Knock'n'Stockin confirmed for now anyway.
Amazing. That's class.
Hopefully a
The
few
lineup
more.
at Casapalooza is class as well. So
Yeah.
are you looking forward to seeing yourselves?
Yeah. Caribou.
Caribou, Villagers as well, yeah.
Yeah. Over here, the Albatross and the Rainbow.
Should be good fun.
It's going to be insane, and that's all. You're going to kind of include all those festivals in a tour. You're planning on getting around Ireland, doing as much gigging as possible.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
tell me about that. How many dates have you got sorted so far?
We have a lot of dates.
So far it's about 13 or 14, isn't it?
Yeah, I think
But
we're
then there's
looking,
way more to be confirmed as
Yeah.
yeah,
well.
there's like another 10 to be confirmed, so I think we're going to play in literally every corner of the country.
Yeah.
Valley to Hob.
Valley.
Does that exist? We've got a gig there.
Didn't mean to let you out. You're falling around and you're waiting for love. Didn't mean to let you out. Didn't mean to let you down. You're falling around and you're waiting for love. Didn't mean to let you down. Didn't mean to let you down. You're falling around and you're waiting for love. Didn't mean to let you down. Didn't mean to let you falling around and you're falling around and you're waiting for let you down. Didn't mean to let you falling around and you're waiting for love.